I think if the Donald wins, he'll become a pussycat. I wouldn't give her the tick, no. I think the Clintons and a lot of what goes on around them worry me. Clearly, I wouldn't give Donald Trump the tick either. But the anarchist in me, somewhere, not too far below the skin, will laugh like mad if Trump wins. I think it'll be a great story. I think if the Donald wins, he'll become a pussycat. I think the generals and the admirals and the statesmen and the civil servants and the State Department and other great departments of state in America will sit him down and say, well done, Donald, and he'll have a big grin on his face, he'll be a happy camper, and then I think he'll go and have a good time for 8 years. I don't think he would bomb Russia, or he might form an alliance with Russia, but I don't think it would be quite the disaster people anticipate. But what would be bad about it, to be serious, is it would sanction, or seem to sanction, racism, sexism of the most appalling kind. And to put that would be the thing that would make me vote for Hillary. The idea of his racist, vulgar, sexist presence would send out an appalling signal. So he mustn't win, and probably won't. But there's another part of me which likes a bit of mayhem. I'd like to see the establishment reaction. For example, would everybody in Ireland be going around looking to see if Donald Trump had any Irish roots? Would we find a Trump in County Mayo or Sligo? That's what we're like.
At Trump Plaza.
At Trump Plaza, it's a distinct possibility. Doonbeg in County Clare, that's the route. So we'd immediately sign up with the Donald, I think.
Would you like to meet him?
Would I like to meet Donald Trump? I wouldn't like my daughter to meet him.